Well, let's find out then what are some of the other mid-cap movers in the markets and what exactly the dealing rooms are abuzz with. We've got Gargi joining in from our research team, as is Ajay, and it's the sugar pocket that's sweetening.
That's right. In fact, Shree Renuka is one of the top gainers. If you look at the BSE 500 space and few of these sugar companies gaining today, Shree Renuka being one of them, the government agreeing to raise the import duty on sugar to 15% from the earlier 10%. That probably will give a boost in terms of pricing as well as cushion these companies. So Shree Renuka almost 3.6% increase. Look at the volume action. 3.4 million shares that are already traded on this particular counter. In fact, other companies like Bajaj and etc. were also gaining in the last 1 hour or so. Also look at an Exide Industries. They have effected a price hike of almost 5 to 7% effective today, and the price hike is mainly to offset the weak rupee. Remember, depreciating rupee, the raw material costs increase, that really needs to be passed on, and probably Exide looking to do that. 2.3% increase. It's come off the day's high. Volume action also pretty strong on Exide. If you compare it with the last 5-day average, it's almost 1.2 times already. Also, few of these steel stocks, and Electro Steel and Uttam Galva, all of them are gaining in today's session. In fact, the entire steel gamut, even the top, the frontline companies of steel are gaining today. Nothing really you can say is a fundamental trigger. Yes, there is some pricing movement, an increase in price on a week-on-week basis. So that probably is playing out. Also, the correction that we had seen in these stocks in the last couple of sessions, probably some buying coming in. Electro Steel just about 1% now. Uttam Galva 2.7% increase.
59.8 for 60. Well, maybe at least some metal names have a good day in trade. Thanks a lot for that, Gargi. Ajay, to what you are hearing on the street, you of course broke a story earlier in the day as well.
Yeah, that's correct. The price hike as far as Exide is concerned, but I'm gathering, Neeraj, that Reliance Communication will make another dash towards its lifetime high, which it made yesterday of around 37-38 in the day-to-day. We understand a lot of informed buying is actually happening, and it opened gap up, added some gains, and have been maintaining those gains. If Europe is supported today and the trend doesn't really fizzle out too bad, dealers are eyeing levels of 37.5, 38 even in today's market. Apart from that, some risky trades are being also initiated as a buy call in SBI. Now we know how the entire PSU banking space is out of favor, but nevertheless 1900 or thereabout, a lot of positions have been built in SBI for around 2000 kind of levels, which means a good 100 rupee up move in a week, 10 days. These are positional trades which have happened. A lot of short positions are there in the system, but before the result season actually kickstart in a full manner, those people would like to cover their position and sit on the sideline, which could give a good 100-120 rupees short covering rally in SBI, and hence some long trades have been taken.